Welcome to our video on the book, The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of starting your own business? Well, this book is for you. It's a guide for anyone who wants to turn their passion into a profitable business without breaking the bank. The author, Chris, has traveled to every country in the world and interviewed over 1,500 entrepreneurs who have started their own businesses with very little money. He shares their stories and the lessons they learned in this book, providing a blueprint for anyone who wants to start their own business with minimal risk and maximum potential for success. One of the main takeaways from the book is that you don't need a lot of money to start a business. In fact, some of the most successful businesses in the world started with just $100 or less. Chris shares the story of a man who started a business selling handmade soap. He invested $100 in ingredients and started selling his soap at a local farmer's market. Today, his soap is sold in stores all over the world, and he has even started his own line of personal care products. This is just one of many examples in the book that demonstrate how you can start a business with a small amount of money and still achieve great success. But it's not just about starting a business with a small amount of money. It's also about finding your niche. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, it's better to find a specific group of people who will love your product or service. The book uses the example of a woman who started a dog walking business with just $100. She used that money to buy flyers to promote her business and a few treats for the dog she walked. Today, her business is worth over $1 million. And that's because she found her niche, dog lovers and their furry friends. By focusing on a specific group of customers, she was able to build a successful business that stood out in a crowded market. The book also provides a step-by-step guide to starting your own business. It covers everything from finding your niche, to creating a business plan, to marketing your product or service. Chris breaks it down into manageable chunks so that even the most intimidated reader can follow along. He also includes worksheets and exercises throughout the book to help you apply the concepts to your own business idea. This makes the book not only informative but also interactive, which makes it easier to absorb the concepts. One of the things that makes this book stand out is the author's emphasis on the importance of testing and iterating. He encourages readers to start small and test their ideas before investing a lot of time and money. This is a key principle that is often overlooked in other business books. By starting small, you could test your idea and see if there is a market for it before you invest a lot of time and money into it. And if it doesn't work, you can pivot and try something else without losing too much. Another thing that makes this book special is the author's emphasis on the importance of community and support. Starting a business can be lonely and difficult, but Chris stresses the importance of finding a community of like-minded individuals who can offer support and guidance. He even includes a list of online resources and communities where readers can connect with other entrepreneurs. This is important because starting a business can be a lonely journey, and having a support system can make a huge difference. The book also covers the importance of creating a unique selling proposition, USP, for your business. A USP is a statement that describes what makes your business unique and why customers should choose you over your competitors. This is important because it helps you to stand out in a crowded market and differentiate yourself from your competitors. The book provides examples and exercises to help you identify and create your own USP, which can be a powerful tool in attracting and retaining customers. Another important aspect the book covers is the importance of creating a business model that is sustainable and scalable. The book provides examples of different business models, such as a product-based business, a service-based business, and a hybrid business, and helps you identify which one is the best fit for your business idea. It also covers the importance of finding a balance between making a profit and having a positive impact on the world, and provides examples of businesses that are doing just that. Lastly, the book also covers the importance of building a strong brand for your business. A strong brand is not only important for attracting customers, but also for building trust and loyalty. The book provides examples of businesses that have successfully built a strong brand, and also includes exercises and worksheets to help you develop your own brand identity. In conclusion, the $100 Startup is a comprehensive guide for anyone who wants to start their own business. It's packed with practical advice, inspiring stories, and actionable steps that will help you turn your dream into a reality. It covers everything from finding your niche, to creating a business plan, to marketing your product or service, and more. So, whether you're looking to start a business with a small amount of money, or you're just looking for inspiration, this book is for you. But don't just take my word for it. Grab a copy of the book and see for yourself. And if you do, let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy the book.